To disassemble the carriage and accessories from the base plate is very simple. You have the e-brake which controls that mechanism. Just disassemble this. Take the e-brake off. You then notice that there is a knurled thumb screw. Remove the spring and the thumb screw together. They are one piece. That knurled thumb screw is different from the previous model, which was a single slot set screw. Next, take the threaded rod with the L plate to remove the carriage from the base plate. Start by having the clamp base with pins facing you. The carriage will be removed from the right side of the base plate. Slide the carriage and pivot off the right-hand end of the base plate. After removing the carriage, turn the carriage so that the Teflon pad is easily cleaned and flushed. It's not necessary to remove the pad from the carriage. To reassemble the carriage, take the base plate with the clamp base with pins facing you. The carriage will be assembled from the right side. Take the Teflon pad, hold it with your fingers. As you apply the carriage to the right-hand side of the base plate, you'll pivot it over the top plate. Next, take the threaded rod with the L plate and tighten that onto the carriage. After that, take the handle with the tooth arrangement over the gears of the threaded rod, and then take the knurled thumb screw with spring attached and assemble it to the handle. Lastly, take the e-brake and assemble it to the top of the carriage. At this point, you can take the ball of the boot and assemble into the carriage and go through the adjustment so you end with a 2 or 3 o'clock position of the handle. The handle is spring-loaded for easy adjustment.